Pour dish soap into the shower head, then add a small amount of vinegar. Screw the shower head back on and leave it for a moment. After that, turn on the water as usual. As the water flows, the mixture will begin dissolving limescale and built-up grime. The debris will flush out with the water, and the shower head will regain proper flow and freshness. It is an inexpensive and effective way to restore full performance. What I saw on my faucet really grossed me out. I'll show you a simple home trick that removes all that dirt without scrubbing. Take a zip-top bag, it fits perfectly over the faucet and won't leak. Place the bag directly over the faucet head. Next, get some vinegar. Vinegar dissolves limescale and removes deposits that build up inside the faucet. Pour it into the bag. Then add a small amount of baking soda. Just a little is enough. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar and begins breaking down the built-up grime. Turn the water on briefly so the mixture reaches the inside of the aerator as well. Then tightly secure the bag around the faucet with a rubber band so nothing leaks out. The baking soda helps remove grease and stubborn residue. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a piece, and wrap it around the bag. This helps keep the reaction going and boosts the cleaning effect. Wait a moment. After that, remove everything, and you'll see the dirt has started to dissolve. The faucet head is clean, unclogged, and works like new. It's the fastest and easiest way to get rid of dirt and limescale from a faucet. Remember to clean your faucet regularly. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time.